Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a compatible Mac OS and your Google account ready? Sign into Chrome now so Google services sync. Once done, open System Settings and allow App Store installations. This prevents permission blocks. Next, decide which Google apps, Drive, Docs, Sheets, or Gmail, they each install differently. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free for downloads and temporary files. Now, open the App Store or Chrome Web Store and prepare to install the official Google apps or add progressive web apps for quick access. Install Google Drive from the App Store for native sync. Open it and sign in to start folder syncing. For Gmail, Docs, and Sheets, install Chrome, then create progressive web apps by opening the web app, clicking the install icon, and choosing Install. This gives app-like windows. Once installed, go to System Settings Privacy to grant microphone, camera, and full disk access where needed. Make sure sync is enabled, so your files and preferences appear across devices and apps. Finish by testing each Google app. Create, edit, and open files offline, then reconnect to confirm syncing. If an app won't sign in or sync, quit and relaunch it. If the issue persists, remove the app, restart your Mac, and reinstall. This often clears corrupt caches. Also make sure no proxy or VPN blocks Google services and that background app refresh is allowed. One key tip: revoke and re-grant account permissions in Google account settings to reset authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.